You run manufacturing across more than one plant. Here's the question right now. Today, you could see your entire network on a single screen. Every site, every open order, everything at risk, and know what to do about it. Most companies can't. In the next 7 minutes, I'm going to show you a working prototype that does exactly that. It runs in a browser, there's no login, no slides, um, etc. And by the end, you will see how we turn it into a real system connected to your plant. Let's get into it. Here's the reality. A multi-site manufacturer isn't on short dashboards. It's drowning in them. Every plant has its own MES, its own SCADA, its own warehouse system. 8 to 14 tools. None of them talk to each other. So the data is siloed by site. There is no single trusted view of the whole network. Detection is reactive. You find out about a stockout or a late order after it's already a customer problem. And the response is manual. Somebody starts emailing around, pulling spreadsheet, guessing at the fix. By the time it's a network issue reaches the other person who can actually act on it. Days have gone by, a single late order, expedite or unplanned changeover can cost real money. The dashboards aren't the problem. The gap between them is. Now you might be thinking, we already have monitoring tools, and you do, and they are valuable, but in the line monitoring and the control tower are two different altitudes. A shop floor tool watches one line, one cell, one machine, cycle time, operator guidance, catching a defect at a station. It answers, is this machine running well right now? A control tower watches the whole network at once. On-time delivery risk, cross-site OEE, supply and demand, logistics. It answers a completely different question. Wherein is my network at risk and what do we do about it? It's not a competitor to your plant system, it sits above them and it makes them worth more by connecting them. So this is what we have built. It's called Praxis. 6 things working together. A live network map. Every plant plotted by geography with real-time status and material flow. A ranked exception queue. AI triages every risk and puts most urgent first. A next best action for each one. Not just here's the problem, but here's the recommended fix. And here's the projected impact. Cross-site KPIs rolled up live on time delivery. Network OE, schedule adherence, inventory. Click any plan to drill into its line network and work orders. And it's built to connect. So in the dashboard we are going to show you feeds so that it runs a standalone and a production build wires straight into your MES, SCADA, a warehouse transport system. Enough describing it. Let me show you. So here's the control tower line. First thing to notice is the map. Every dot is a plant. Most are green. Network is healthy. But look here. Couple of hotspot. System flagged on its own. Pulsing amber and red. Now you see the top KPIs. Now next to that or bottom to that we have the exception and the response queue where we get all the exception and at risk issues along with the AI's recommended action where we can acknowledge, assign or view that particular site. Then we have a 24-hour tracking for OE and how it's performing in the last 24 hours. Then we have throughput plus plan whereby we see what was the planned output and what is the current throughput. Next, we have the next best actions whereby AI recommends what is the next best action to take to improve the network. Then we have the site performance whereby we can drill down into each site and see what exactly is holding back. And this is the complete dashboard that we talked about just now. Now step back. What just happened there was four moves. You scanned the network and the map. You told instantly where to look. You read the queue. The risks were already ranked and costed. You took the action the system recommended with a confidence score behind it. And when you needed to, you drilled into a single plan for detail, from network health to a decision in under a minute, without emailing a single person or opening a spreadsheet. That's the whole point. A quick word on how the real version would work within your system. The demo you just saw simulates the plant feed in such a way that it replicates a production scenario. In production, it sits on your plant systems, MES, SCADA, warehouse, transport, streamed into a governed backbone. An AI optimization service turns those signals into exemptions and the next best actions, and your data stays in your plant. The tower orchestrates and decides. It does not rip anything out. This layer is above the estate you already have, not another silo beside it. What does that buy you? Three things. Speed. The time from an issue emerging to right person seeing it with a fix in hand goes from days to minutes. Protection. Predicted stockouts, late order get caught before they reach the customer. So on-time delivery holds. And the truth. The OE, on-time delivery, the inventory final reconciled across every plant. So you stop arguing about those numbers is right or wrong, and it lands for everyone. Plant managers see where they sit in the network, supply and logistic rebalance before the OTIF slips. Leadership gets one live view and an auditable record of every exception and response, and the IT gets a governed layer, not a rip and replace. So, how do you get from this to a system running on your real plant? It's a pragmatic path. We start with the discovery, mapping your sites, your feeds, and the KPI that matters, and designing the data control. Then we stand up to the line network model, the map and the cross-site rollup. The exception engine bites your real signals and tunes your operating team. Next, the AI next best action connected to an optimization service, always with human in the loop. And then we harden it and roll it the pilot into one region, prove it, and then scale plant by plant. You are not betting the whole network on day one, you are proving it on one and then expanding it. Who needs this and who builds these products? At Codersarts, we are a full stack and an AI engineering team. This is exactly the kind of work we do, taking a tangible prototype like the one which you watched and turning it into a production platform. We handle the hard part, the industrial data integration across MES, SCADA, warehouse, and the transport. We build the applied AI, demand risk scheduling, the next best action, human in the loop, not black boxes. And we engineer it to scale, multi-site and secure. Best of all, we start with something you can see and click before you commit a budget, because that's how you de-risk a build. So here's the invitation. If you run a network of plans and there are questions you can't answer today, send us your site, your system, and those questions. We will come back with architecture, a phased plan, a demo tuned to your operation. Build the same way we build this one. That's the contact at codersarts.com. Where you want to a quick architecture review, a rapid prototype like this, or a full build, that's the place to start. That's AI manufacturing control tower for you. If this is the kind of thing your operation needs, the links in the description and emails on the screen. And if you want to see more walkthroughs like this, please do make sure to subscribe and don't forget to like and share. We publish these regularly. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.